Change doesn't come from doing everything. It comes from doing something and doing it again tomorrow. The real win is not breaking the chain. There's a reason this works. It's because when you show up for something, even if it's small, day after day, you start to see yourself differently. Not as someone who keeps starting over, but as someone who keeps going. If you've ever felt like consistency just isn't your thing, this is for you. You don't need to overhaul your life. You just need to keep the chain going, one small win at a time. Here are 3 mindset shifts to help you stay consistent even when motivation fades. Shift 1. The streak is the strategy. You don't need hype. You need rhythm. When you do the same thing daily, it gets easier. And easier is what makes it sustainable. So protect the streak. That's the strategy. Shift 2. Missing once is human. Missing twice is a pattern. You don't lose progress when you miss one day. You lose momentum when you quit the next. So even if yesterday was off, show up today. Get back in. That's what builds resilience. Shift 3. Today is the only day that matters. You don't have to figure out tomorrow. You don't have to be perfect. You just need to show up for this day in this body with what you got. One choice, one action. That's how the chain stays alive. Drop a link in the comments if you're keeping your chain alive. And tell me, what's one small win you're showing up for today, no matter what? And as always, remember, we can share our journeys, but we should never compare them. Bye.